Every every adventurer enthusiasts, always has a dream to capturing every moment of their journey, the essence of their explorations and adventures in stunning details. In olden days, achieving this dream was very difficult. But today's generation is truly blessed, because they have such a wide range of options to grab their favorite moments. In this, action cameras are the leading option that stand out as the go-to choice for enthusiasts and worldwide. Thanks to their compact, lightweight, highly portable design with solid build quality, and even then also, they produce shots with clarity similar to our eyes. Action cameras are the best companions of these type of enthusiasts, but sometimes they occasionally miss capturing certain parts of our favorite moments, due to their limited camera angle capability. Even though it is not a major issue, but travelers and similar enthusiasts always seek a solution for this problem. At that time, the Arashi Vision, a company whose headquarters is situated in Shenzhen, introduced a magical product which is a perfect solution for this problem. On September 8, 2022, they introduced the Insta360 X4 to the market, with its main highlight being its ability to capture 360-degree footage with stunning quality. Due to its small size, highly portable design, and solid build quality, it quickly became the favorite camera of adventure enthusiasts all over the world in a short span of time. As a result of this, Insta360 sold over 1 million units since it is launched in September 2022. The story not ends there. In April 16, 2024, they introduced an updated model of Insta360, called Insta360 X4. Compared to the X3, the X4 is far better in every aspects, especially in resolution. The X4 resolution is double than the X3, across all aspects. The maximum resolution and frame rate of the new Insta360 X4 are 8K at 30 FPS and 5.7K at 60 FPS. On the other hand, the maximum resolution available in the X3 is only 5.7K at 30 FPS. When talking about slow-mo, X4 can shoot stunning slow-mo videos with a maximum resolution of 4K at 100 FPS, when the X3 can only shoot in 3K at 100 FPS. Both Insta360 cameras are capable to capture amazing quality photos. During photo mode, the X4 offers two resolution options, 18MP and 72MP, whereas the X3 only has 72MP. For optimal results, it's recommended to use 18MP for low light situations and 72MP for daytime shots with good lighting conditions when using the X4. This helps achieve higher quality photos. Now imagine our enthusiastic adventurer trekking or cycling through a forest, and you guys can expect that the lighting conditions inside a forest is not that great. Definitely, it will badly affect the clarity of the footages, right? Actually not right in the case of X4. With the recommended resolution settings like 5.7K at 30 FPS or 24 FPS, magically X4 can produce high-quality footages than the X3, particularly in terms of color rendition. Colors are more pop out and significantly improved in X4. At the same time, it's important to consider that both cameras are not low-light specialists, and may exhibit some noise in low-light conditions. Even though X4 produce more stunning, perfectly acceptable shots, with more details in low-light conditions, than X3. In another case, suppose our adventure enthusiast may be an MTB rider or a moto vlogger, who prefers action cameras more than a 360-degree camera. Don't worry guys, Insta360 X4 has an interesting feature called single lens mode, which make this 360-degree camera as an action camera, and the interesting fact is that, you can shoot in 4K 60 FPS, with a max view in free frame mode with 170-degree wide angle. Not only that, X4 is packed with amazing new features like 360-degree active HDR mode, which shoot high-quality footages, with stunning details in better colors. There is a mode feature, that records yourself by specifically focus you in the middle of deep action scenarios, with invisible stick effect with a maximum resolution of 4K 30 FPS and a smooth 2.7K 120 FPS. Another cool mode in X4 is called flow state stabilization. With this mode you can take buttery smooth quality shots. No matter how intense your adventure are, it will delivers quality shots that blow your mind. Another common problem most of the users face, while using X3 with invisible stick is that, they want to manually turn on or turn off the camera, each and every time by folding the long selfie stick, which not only take more time, but also feel discomfort while shooting in intense scenarios. By the entry of gesture control feature in X4, that allows the user to remotely turn on or off the camera, by using predefined gestures without folding the selfie stick. Additionally, the X4 beats the X3 in numerous aspects. Like it comes with a 2.5-inch touchscreen with robust Corning Gorilla Glass, known for its responsiveness. A 2290 mAh battery, providing 67% longer runtime than the X3. It can continuously shoot for 135 minutes at 5.7K 30 FPS and 75 minutes at 8K 30 FPS. What's more, the X4 requires only 38 minutes to charge from 0 to 80%, and just 55 minutes for a full charge. The X4 can go extreme in any situation, by offering high-quality smooth videos, even in underwater too. Yes, you guys heard right. X4 is extremely waterproof and it can withstand depths up to 33 feet or 10 meters, and can extend this number up to 164 feet or 50 meters, by using an invisible underwater dive case. The X4 is priced 54,990 rupees in India, or $658.